we're gonna go through how you can get the Roblox Delta Executor Key for iOS. I have the Delta Executor installed on iOS here. If you don't know how to install the Roblox Delta Executor on iOS, there's a link of a video guide in description. Just go and watch that video. And once you've got the Delta Executor for iOS, let's launch it. Sign into your account and choose any game. Now here with the right, you're gonna tap on receipt key, tap on watch ad and follow the instructions. It will give you options here. You're gonna pick the second one here. Tap here, continue with link buddies, 2-step. Tap here, second one. Close the tab and again tap here. You'll get the link buddies page. Scroll down, tap on get link. You come down here and tap on watch ads, continue. It will just give you ad. You can tap on skip ad. Once again skip ad and the final one. Now scroll down, open the content. Now just one more step, tap on link buddies. Scroll down, get link. Scroll down once again, choose watch ads, continue. Skip ad, skip ad. Now finally you can scroll down and tap on open, continue, close this tab, once again continue, and this is the key here. You can just copy. Once you've copied, go back to Roblox Delta Executor and just enter the key, and here you have got the Roblox Delta Executor. Yes.